He turned into trout weighing 2.06 pounds, and he won a total of $340, and that goes to Kyle Logan. Kyle Logan, come get your money, boy. Thank you. All right, so the fish that we all really look for that weight is the redfish, right? The redfish is that game fish that if you ever caught one, you know instantly what it is when it hits your line, right? But with the redfish, we also have side pots, and I think what's pretty interesting is all these redfish have unique birthmarks. They all have a different mark. They have many, some have one spot, some have no spots, some have multiple spots. So we create a side pot that is the most spots on any single redfish. In this particular case, this kayak fishing athlete turned in a redfish with 8 spots total on the redfish that paid him a total of $580 for 8 spots, and that goes to Furman Garcia.
Yeah!
There you go, Furman.
Yeah, boy.
Congratulations, my friend. You're always a winner, bro. Appreciate it, man.
Thanks on Furman!
Yeah!
So our last side pot, guys, involved the redfish. I'm going to talk about this fish again. The goal is to turn in the heaviest redfish between 20 and 28 inches, okay? Typically, you're dang lucky if you can find yourself an 8-pound redfish, especially on a kayak. It's a challenge. We always look for that 8-pounder. And if you're a super special kayak fishing athlete, you find them in the 10 pounds, but that's very rare. This particular guy found a redfish that weighed 7.45 pounds, and it paid him $940. And that goes to Gabriel Grande. Come and get your money, boy. There he comes.
Nice. All about that sand on, bro. Man.
I want to take the time. I'm going to say thank you again, but I want to say thank you to the Fin Factory staff, guys. These guys worked tirelessly over the last 3 days, busted their butt, went without food, without water, in the snow uphill. These guys worked their asses off, and I can't thank them enough. Without my team and my support staff, guys, none of this can happen. I want to thank my beautiful wife, Jessica Morales. She is truly the brains of this operation. I'm just a pretty one. But man, without her, man, there is no way that this could ever happen. So, Jessica, thank you so much for what you do. I love you. I also want to take the time to thank my beautiful daughter, Chloe Morales, over here. Chloe is a newly graduate of St. Mary's University. She runs her operation. She's my store manager in San Antonio. And I can't thank her enough for everything that she's done. Proud of her. Love you. And to all my guys, thank you all so much. Wendy, you know, Jared, Nick, you guys, can't thank you guys enough for what you guys have done. It's a lot to do for this little crew, and I appreciate you guys. Our third place finisher managed to turn in 2 redfish. One was dead, one was alive. Turned in a total of 12.79 pounds. Hold on. Had he turned in that other fish live, he would have got second, but hey, it is what it is, it happens. He won a total of $250, and that goes to Miguel Cruz. All right, for second place, guys, this particular kayak fishing athlete turned in a total of 13.97 pounds. That's pretty good, man, 13.97 pounds. 2 fish, they were live. He won $500, and it goes to Atanasio Galvan. Finally, guys, we're going to talk about our first place winner for the Rey-Del Bahia Inshore Division, Rey-Del Mar. This kayak fishing athlete turned in an exact 14 pounds with 2 redfish, and these suckers were real alive. And I can't thank this guy enough for his participation in this event. This guy wins $1,000, and his name is Joe Arthur. Congratulations, Joe. Guys, I want to thank Coastal Woodworking, guys, for their beautiful, you know, amazing stuff. We don't do the little plastic, you know, trophies, man. We get some art done. And these guys at Coastal Woodworking, if you're looking for any type of woodworking, these guys do some great stuff. And this is our first place trophy for Inshore. Congratulations. Let's crown you.
Got it all. Hold on.
Thank you guys again. I can't thank you enough for everything that you guys do. I love you guys.
Come on, plug it in. Come on, Bobby, get up here, Bobby. Tell
us how you did it, man. Tell us how you did it.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Atanasio Galvan Jr. I live in Austin, Texas. Actually, a little town outside of Austin in Gerald, about 40 miles outside of Austin. So yeah, if y'all don't know us, y'all fucking do us now. Hammer Fishing Crew. You know, it's ran by Chris, compadre Jesse, Godinez. A bunch of y'all know those guys. You know, they're out here a lot. First and foremost, thank you so much. My family out there, Kim's support, love you guys. My wife Monica, I love you, baby. Appreciate all the bullshit you put up with. And it's hard, you know, leave the kids. This is one of my twins. But yeah, super excited. I honestly only fish one lure, and it's top water, and it's Rapala white fucking ghost, man. That's it was one of them. I didn't want to kill the fish. It was stuck in his mouth. Sir pulled it out right there, and yeah, man, appreciate everybody. Hey, JG, you already know, I appreciate it. Hey, the crazy carnales, wow, where my boys, man. Hey, there y'all are. Hey, Kobe, man, everybody showed love to me, man. Appreciate you, man. Like, hey, y'all cool people, man. Appreciate the hospitality. Everybody that, you know, that gives me, like those motherfuckers, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Don't buy, appreciate it, man. But, hey, Hammer Fishing Crew, let's go. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. It's fucking amazing, man. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, so you hold that, take them off, go for it.
Hey, I bet you his wife lets him fish every weekend now, man. That's $10,000 winner right there. Hey, and I also think that anybody who wins should act just like that when you win something. That's awesome, man. I can't thank those guys enough, man. That's amazing. If you don't know hammer fishing, now you know.
Yeah, now you know.
Sure you do.
If you don't know, you know.
Whether you fish on a Hobie or you fish on a Viking, we love you anyway, man. It's all the same. It's all one family. So thank you guys so much for your competition. You're competing, guys. It's fantastic. Guys, I also want to thank all the female kayak fishing athletes out there. We had a total of 9 of those guys, gals. And let me tell you, man, that is an exciting group. If you're interested in kayak fishing and you're a female, you know, look up the Yak Couples kayak fishing group. It's just fantastic, guys. The more people we get out on the water, the better it is for the community in general. So thank you, guys. All right, guys. The last thing, I want to thank a couple of people that really did a good job and helped us making this event what it is. MK Walling, she did an amazing, fantastic job with promotions and getting everybody together. I want to thank Blanca, I want to thank Jenny, I want to thank all of the Market 37 crew, man, for just being fantastic and amazing. Thank you all so much. All right, let's give away some raffle items, guys.